What's up, everyone? This is Gail Dudley. We're about to go shopping, so let's get started. I told you I'm going to keep bringing things out over the next couple of weeks as I'm just cleaning out my closet for whatever is to come. So I told you I was going to keep bringing out some St. John's, so I do have one St. John suit today. This is your navy pull-on basic knit skirt. This is a size 14. So this is your basic, the St. John knit skirt. It's always lovely to have a St. John. So this is the skirt. Here's the jacket. The jacket is 2 buttons trimmed in the navy blue, front and back. Now, full disclosure, I did notice a small hole here. I won't pull it. There's another one here. And then I noticed one over here. Now, any great seamstress or dry cleaners will be able to fix that, but I want to be completely transparent with you. I did notice 3, and I indicated that in the description of my Poshmark closet. My closet is the @ GED. That's G as in Gail, E as in Elizabeth, D as in Dudley. So GED Pryor, Pryor. That is my Poshmark closet. And of course, you'll see my face on there, so you know you're in the right place. But this is a size 14, and this is a part of the collections. So look at that. So there you go. And again, you have the 2 buttons. You have, these are not pockets. These are just a part of the design, but it is lovely. Look at those buttons. Yes, y'all, it's lovely. And then we also have, almost forgot, we also have the rose that you can put on as well. So all of this will come, and yep, this is St. John too, so that you can see it. It will just go right there, but it is beautiful. So you don't want to miss that. Next up, I have, this is an off the shoulder, and this still have tags on it actually. This is off the shoulder, size large. See, still has the tags on it. Bell sleeves. Look at that, look at that. Don't I tell y'all, it's always cute. So cute. So off the shoulder, it can be a tunic, it can be a skirt. Hey, I just thought of that. You could actually probably pull this on as a skirt. This is cute. And you have the bell sleeves again. And that's the back. Back has a seam down the back. So you have that. Oh God, this is cute. Y'all gonna make me think about this twice, but since it's on a video, it's going in the closet. It's going in the closet. This is a basic skirt, black skirt, pull-on knit. This is, I would say it's probably a large, but this is really nice. It's fitted. It is fitted. So you wanna check that out. And then I have a pair of Ellen Fisher khakis or jeans, size extra large. Never been worn, but the tags aren't on them. And it has a nice line down the side. And these are stretchy people, stretchy material. You always want to check that out. But these are the jeans. Cute, right? These are cute. So that's what I have of the clothes today, but I have more items, so just hold on. Again, this piece. Yeah, I'm seeing that you can do this in some really cute, funky ways. This could be a skirt, and you could take the 2 sleeves and tie in the front. Oh yeah, look. Now y'all know that just went cute. This could be a skirt. I'm leaving it in the closet, y'all, but I just saw that. This is cute. This is cute. This is cute. All right, so Coach bag, Coach tote. Look how great that is. See, it's authentic. It's all authentic, trust me. There are 2 zip pockets. We got the code inside. This is what I would call the medium tote or the small tote. The small tote. So that's going in the closet. We also have the larger bag. Again, it's authentic. It's in there. Black. That's the bucket. Look at excellent condition. Look at that. Look at the inside. Just check that out. It's in the closet. Then you have, this is an older model. And again, let me show you the authenticity. It's in there. This is the larger bag. There's some wear and tear on this, but it will be priced just right. Remember, I'm pricing everything right to move. So I'm not really negotiating, but I'm pricing it right. This was just always a fun bag. This is black too. Authentic, people, authentic. This has wear and tear as well. But if you look at the bottom of that, it's great. But the actual material has some wear and tear. But it's a great bag. And then we have this baby. This, no name, but it's just beautiful. And it has a shoulder strap as well. And this is a khaki green. And there are pockets in there for your cell phone. It's pretty deep, really cute. Zips. Perfect. All right, y'all. My Poshmark, GEDPRYOR. Check it out. Check it out. And remember our song. We gotta go shopping in motion with Gail. So we gotta go shopping, y'all. We gotta go shopping. So that's the next video. In a couple of days, I'll upload another one. But you can go to my Poshmark. And again, it's the @ GEDPRYOR. And again, you'll see my face. All right, y'all, if you have any questions, let me know in the Poshmark comments and I'll answer your questions. Pretty much, I'm pricing everything to move out the closet swiftly. So I'm not really negotiating, but check it out. All right, until the next video, peace out. Oh, for those of you who were asking about the prayer videos on my YouTube, those prayer videos go up every Sunday morning at 7 a.m. Every Sunday morning, it's about a 15-minute devotional. And my YouTube right here, where you're finding this, but it is youtube.com/Gail Dudley. That's GAIL, D as in David, U, D as in David, LEY. So those go up on Sundays at 7 a.m. And for those of you who are asking about the news in motion videos, that's Monday through Friday. Those are normally uploaded before 8:30 in the morning, most mornings, Monday through Friday. So check that out as well. All right, until the next video, you have a great day and let's go shopping. Peace out.